Hi, this is Tim from our facilities in Escanaba, but today I'm at the global headquarters in Europe. Let me show you something that's really changing the railway wheel boring technology. This is the MV Wheel Borer, fully compliant with AAR standards, covering all wheel sizes, ready to run with no manual adjustments. Installation? No pit, no civil works, fits straight onto your shop floor. Here's the key difference. On most machines, the wheel rotates. On the MV, it doesn't. The wheel stays still and the tool rotates. This means less vibration and much more stable process. And because you're not rotating the heavy mass, energy consumption is up to 3 times lower compared to traditional vertical machines. Loading and unloading is fully automatic, simultaneously, done in less than 30 seconds. No operator needed. This is part of what the MV can do for you. We'll keep you on track.